Phew. Well, I have been cleaning again. And you guys know what that means. Sneezing. Phew. 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 I definitely think I'm more allergic to dust than pollen. And pollen is more seasonal in a way, and dust is pretty much everywhere, so. Well, here comes the sneezes, I guess. Let me turn on the AC so there's a bit of air circulation while I clean. I don't know if this makes it better or worse, but let's keep cleaning here. Oh my god. I gotta sneeze. I gotta sneeze. Phew. Phew. The best thing about having allergies, I guess, is that something that should take about 5 minutes to get done ends up taking about 15, because you have to keep stopping to sneeze. I gotta sneeze. Phew. Like that. I gotta sneeze again. Just a second. Phew. 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 Back to cleaning. God. It makes my nose tickle so much. So much. I have to kind of hold them back so I can focus on what I'm doing. Oh God, but just a second, I gotta sneeze again. Chew. 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 Oh God. Yeah, my God. Oh no, I gotta sneeze again. Oh my God. Chew. Chew. Oh God. Here they come again. Chew. Just one? No, I'm not dead. You gotta sneeze. Chew. Chew. Oh my God. Sorry. I'm sorry, I gotta sneeze again. Phew. Phew.